Hey guys, so today I have got the August Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it's a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide, it's all different prices. I'll put the ones that I do know down below in the description. But we are just going to open this and see what is in here. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what the theme is, anything like that. So right on the top we have our little booklet, and this usually gives you the colour scheme and also your theme. So this one is Spiritual Growth and August 2023 like it says. It just tells you information about all of the items in the box. We're not going to go through it because I'm going to show you, but if you do need more info, that's where it is. So that's our little booklet. Then we have our art print. So this month it's a kind of like a little cloudy night sort of scene. It's got a moon, it's got a teeny tiny little house down here, some trees and stuff. Again, a very dark one. The light is shining on it so you can see it better, but in person this is super dark. Last month's one you could barely see it. I don't know why they keep doing them so dark, but that is our little mini print. And then on the back of it, it says monthly manifestations. What are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So if you don't want to use it as a print, you can use it like that as well. Then next we have this, which says Positive Incantations, a collection of spoken spells to add magic to your daily life. And it's like a little like a calendar would be, like a little flip booklet kind of thing. So okay, so it's just kind of like fancy little quotes on both sides, loads of different ones. So for example, this one says, my intentions come from my soul as my actions take me towards my goal. And then this one says, minute by minute, hour by hour, I am finding my higher power. So you would just kind of place that somewhere around your house or like on your desk or whatever, and kind of flip to a different one when you wanted to. So that is our little Positive Incantations. Next we have our spell kit for the month. So you always get a spell kit. This one is a forgiveness charm bag kit. It says it contains everything you need to encourage forgiveness. So I will open this and show you what is in there. Okay, so we have our little instruction card. I'll hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read or write it down. And then we also have a little blue pouch, a little mini scroll, some lavender and some hyssop. I don't know what that is, never heard of it, don't know if I'm saying it right, but two little bags of herbs anyway. So that's everything in the Forgiveness Charm Bag spell kit. Next we have our little enamel pin for the month. You always get a pin as well. And this one looks to be kind of like a little moth. It is half and half. So half is black with little white tips and half is white with little black tips on its wings. And it's got two pins so that it doesn't kind of spin around when you're wearing it or have it on a bag or wherever you're putting it. Then we have our crystal or gemstone for the month, and this one is a sodalite. So it's kind of like a little dark blue colour with some whites, greys, maybe a little bit of green in there as well. Just a little tumbled stone. So for this one it says, carry this with you to overcome negative self-talk and encourage rational thought, clarity and communication. Sodalite brings emotional balance, enhances self-acceptance and raises self-esteem. So that is our little gemstone. Then next we've got a cute little velvety pouch with a bunny on there, little hair. And in here we have a wooden gratitude pebble, it says. So this is the little item itself. It's like a chunk of oval wood and it says gratitude on it. And for this it says, use this tactile wooden pebble for gratitude meditation. As you hold it, sit peacefully and give gratitude for all of your blessings. This encourages you to look for the good in your life and raises your vibration to one of positivity and gratitude. which in turn attracts even more blessings. So very unusual item, little wooden pebble. And that came in that cute little rabbit bag as well. Then next we've got this in a little tissue. Oh, and this is like a cute little bookmark. So it's a metal one and it says find magic in every chapter with a little pentacle. And then it's got this black tassel as well. Very cute, I like that. I like when they're super thin so they don't like distort the book and stuff. It's kind of embossed in there. Next we have a mindfulness sand timer. It says it's important to practice mindfulness every day, even if this is only for a few minutes. It's beneficial to our well-being. Turn over this enchanting timer and sit mindfully as the black sand runs out. You can use these precious minutes for meditation, mindful gratitude, or just to be still and at peace. This sand timer lasts for 5 full minutes. Very, again, weird, unusual item. I love that though. I love when there's like different stuff that we haven't had before. So let's have a see what this looks like. Oh, that's really cute actually. So it's got little pentacles engraved on either end. And then it's just a little black, like hourglass, but for 5 minutes, not an hour. Love that. Very cute, definitely. I think that's my favourite thing that we've had in here so far. And then we've got 2 things left before the scrolls. So we've got a shadow work journaling box. It says this magical journaling tool encourages you to process issues that you may have been repressing and start to love the parts of yourself that you've been suppressing and rejecting. Very deep, I feel like. So this is a cute little maybe wooden box. It says shadow work on the front. I don't think the front is wood. I think that's like a cardboardy stuff, but then the sides seem to be more wooden. It says witch casket on the back. And in here we have some cards. It's got a little magnetic closing. Okay, so these are shadow work prompt cards. I'm not going to go through it all, but basically they all have different questions on. For example, do I self-sabotage? In what ways do I do this and how can I stop? What emotions do I suppress? Is there anyone I need to forgive? Etc, etc. So different little cards in there, and that comes in this cute little box. And then we just have some incense sticks. So these are spiritual growth incense. It says an uplifting blend of lemongrass and rose. Light the incense and affirm, I choose not to allow external things to affect my inner world. Smell quite nice actually. Quite kind of fruity floral, not too musky and stuff. So little incense. And then, as always, we have our scroll, so I'll undo this and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read. So this one is 3 aids to spiritual growth: meditation, spiritual journaling, and connecting with nature. So yeah, that was everything in the August Witch Casket box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had our little art print, the Positive Incantations little flip book, the Forgiveness Charm Bag Kit, the cute little metal bookmark, the Incense Sticks, the enamel pin, the little Sodalite gemstone, the wooden gratitude pebble, very weird item, the shadow work journaling box, the little mindfulness sand timer, and the scroll as well. So all of these items in the August Witch Casket box. Again, very unusual one. They keep doing ones that have a lot of different items in, which I'm loving lately. This little sand timer is definitely my favourite item for sure. It's really cute. I love that it's got black sand in it and stuff. Love the little pentacles on the end. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.